Assalamu alaikum. This is the South Sudanese community here at USIU. Today we are showcasing our food in the Cultural Café, which is an event that leads up to Culture Week. Basically, it's a chance where different communities get to showcase their food here in the training kitchen, and they get to prepare and sell their food. And it's a great way to showcase the uniqueness and creativity of all cultures. We prepared a variety of meals today. South Sudan, because of our history, its cuisine is heavily influenced by Arab and East African cuisines. Today we have mulakombo, which is a stew which is made from peanut butter and meat and finely chopped jute leaves. Next we have mulabamia, which is whole okra that is made with meat and bell peppers and tomato paste. Next we have mula khudra, which is fine jute leaves that are finely chopped, made with into a stew with chicken. Next we have adis, which is a lentil soup that is boiled and then made into a soup. Next is mashi, which is stuffed bell peppers. The insides are removed, and then you stuff mincemeat and rice into the bell pepper. Next is gima, which is a variety of potatoes, peas, carrots, mincemeat. For dessert, we have basbousa, which is a semolina cake. For salad, it's salata aswad, which is an eggplant salad which is made from peanut butter, yogurt, bell peppers. For the drinks, we have kerkede, which is a hibiscus drink. It's made from hibiscus flower, which is boiled, and then water is added in and sugar is added in as well. Finally, the other juice is asir aradib, which is a tamarind juice. The tamarind is soaked for a while, and then the juice is made from it by adding water and sugar or honey. Overall, this was a really great experience. We bonded together, all of us South Sudanese here at USIU, under one umbrella over the 64 ethnic groups that is represented by South Sudan. We had a great time buying food, preparing the ingredients and serving to everyone and showcasing to USIU the different cuisines that we have to offer as the world's youngest nation.